Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hi everyone, I keep getting asked to put out a Zontes 310 model, 310cc bikes. That's 310XR, 310V, 310VX, 310T model. As there are thousands of bikes in Europe and a few in the UK, etc. But people want a full service on how to do the oil and filter change and the spark plug change and the air filter change so they can service their own bikes. This full service change has been done on the 310R model, yet it's exactly the same for all the models. Now this is the engine draining oil first. Obviously there's the normal sump plug underneath the bike, but then there's also the one at the front, because the oil goes and circulates and cools within the frame. You have to empty the oil that's in the upper frame as well, so that's what this is doing, as it's the frame oil cooled engine bike, which is quite unique. This video shows doing the oil change first, but you would not put the oil back into the bike if you're changing the filter. This section will come after this first part of this video on the oil filter change, but like I say, you would leave the oil out before you put the new oil in to change the oil filter. But this is where I've just done the video in sections for you. After the oil and fill the oil, after the filter part, and how to do the air filter, and how to do the spark plug. There's over 1,400 videos now in my Zontes playlist, and each playlist is by model, etc. So you can find your bike you want to do a service or something on it, or look at the videos. Some of the videos are service videos, some of the videos are training videos. They're also grouped into different language subtitle videos like Arabic, Chinese, English, Spanish and French on the subtitles, so please go have a look. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. This is Man Mick. I'm going to sign up and let you watch the whole video. Like I say, you wouldn't add the oil if you were going to do the filter change. That comes up next. Happy bye for now. This is Man Mick signing off.
Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. 6, 7. harder. You are upset. Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Rushing. Here we go. Ready? Okay. 5, 6, and. Start practicing harder.